Welcome back to Auto Rev Now, where the rarest machines, the most powerful engines, and the finest automotive craftsmanship come alive in cinematic detail. Today, we journey into the world of opulent performance and handcrafted luxury, not with a hypercar or track-focused exotic, but with a vehicle that redefines what it means to be an ultra-premium SUV. This is the Land Rover Range Rover SV P530, the crown jewel of British luxury SUVs, and one of the most refined, powerful, and exclusive models ever to wear the Range Rover badge. The Range Rover name has always symbolized a unique blend of rugged capability and aristocratic elegance, but the SV P530 takes that legacy to an entirely new level. A product of Land Rover's special vehicle operations, it embodies the vision of the flagship SUV engineer not just for commanding the road, but for celebrating the finer things. In life, SV stands for special vehicle, and in this context, it means precision engineering, elite materials, and a driving experience crafted for those who demand the best, not just in performance, but in presence. At first glance, the SV P530 exudes a quiet dominance. Its design isn't loud or overstated. Instead, it's sculpted with deliberate restraint, with sleek surfaces and clean lines that emphasize volume over aggression. The signature floating roof, flush door handles, and hidden until lit lighting elements give it a seamless, monolithic appearance. The SV variant sets itself apart with exclusive design cues, a unique SV grille, ceramic badging, and bespoke 23-inch forged wheels that anchor its powerful stance. The detailing is minimalist but exacting, designed to project authority through elegance rather than excess. Step inside, and the cabin reveals a sanctuary of absolute luxury. This is where the SV P530 truly earns its status, with an interior that rivals the finest first-class lounges in the world. The seats, wrapped in near-aniline, semi-aniline leather, or sustainable ultra fabrics, are sculpted to cradle and comfort. The SV Serenity theme introduces ceramic and mosaic marquetry finish, including optional white ceramic controls that are cool to the touch and visually stunning. Everything you see and touch has been meticulously crafted, from the hand-polished wood veneers to the solid metal speaker grills of the Meridian signature sound system. Rear passengers are treated to executive class comfort plus seating with power closing doors, integrated 13.1-inch rear displays, and a center console that features a chilled compartment and deployable tables, turning every journey into an experience. Under the hood lies the beating heart of this refined beast, a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, co-developed with BMW, delivering an impressive 530 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. This P530 engine allows the SV to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, an astonishing feat for a vehicle of this size and luxury. But beyond the numbers, it's the refinement that defines the drive. The chassis, tuned specifically for the SV, uses predictive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and advanced dynamic response systems to glide across any surface with regal confidence. Whether you're navigating London's Mayfair or the gravel roads of the Scottish Highlands, the SV P530 moves with grace, silence, and complete control. Technology, of course, plays a central role in the SV experience. The P530 Pro infotainment system is seamlessly integrated with a floating 13.1-inch curved glass touchscreen, offering haptic feedback and a minimalist interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa voice control are standard, while the 3D surround camera system and ClearSight ground view make urban parking and off-road precision equally effortless. The vehicle is also equipped with active noise cancellation built directly into the headrests, creating an acoustic cocoon that isolates you from the outside world. But what makes the Range Rover SV P530 truly special, it's not just its performance or luxury, it's its rarity and significance. As the most exclusive interpretation of the all-new 5th-generation Range Rover, the SV P530 is offered in limited configurations, often built to order with tailor-made customization. This makes each unit a reflection of its owner's tastes, a bespoke creation born from collaboration between machine and designer. In the world of SUVs, it doesn't just sit at the top, it defines what the top looks and feels like. In a time where the automotive world is increasingly shifting toward electrification and efficiency, the SV P530 represents a final flourish for combustion-powered opulence, a vehicle that combines brute force with whispered luxury. It is a Range Rover that doesn't shout but speaks with gravitas. One that can climb mountains but chooses to conquer boulevards, and one that, even in silence, leaves a lasting impression. For collectors and connoisseurs of high-end SUVs, the Range Rover SV P530 is more than just a flagship. It's a landmark moment in the evolution of British automotive excellence, a celebration of power, poise, and personalization. And like the very best art, it doesn't just move, it inspires.